The next divine name is Al-Haqq, which means the truth. Allah, the Exalted, is the truth as He exists without the need for anything else. Whereas, the creation only exists because of their connection with Allah, the Exalted. Therefore they can never be the truth. Chapter 55 Ar-Rahman, verses 26 to 27.
Everyone upon it, i.e. the earth, will perish. And there will remain the face of your Lord, owner of majesty and honor.
The Muslim who understands this name will observe all things which are not connected to Allah, the Exalted, through His approval and pleasure, as false, and therefore avoid connecting with them. They will instead connect to all the things which Allah, the Exalted, is pleased with, as the thing which is connected to the truth becomes true through His mercy. For example, they will connect to the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, by sincerely obeying and following them. A Muslim must act on this divine name by becoming an embodiment of truth according to their created level. This is achieved by adopting the different aspects of truthfulness. The first is ensuring their intention when speaking and acting is to please none other than Allah, the Exalted. They will either speak what is connected to the truth or remain silent. Finally, they will use the blessings they have been granted in truthful ways, meaning in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, the truth. The one who behaves in this manner will be recorded as a truthful person by Allah, the Exalted. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 1971. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.